So hey guys, what's up? As you all know, Samsung Galaxy A80 is officially released. It has been released just a day before. The one thing about the Samsung Galaxy A30 A80 is that it has no front camera, no notch. And the front camera and the rear camera are just same. When you go for a selfie, the rear camera converted to a front camera by just rotating. This is a jump to a new era of the technology. I was just expecting this from the Samsung. If we talk about the cameras, it has a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide angle camera and 3D depth sensor. I think Samsung Galaxy A80 is the first phone that has a 48 megapixel front camera that will go for the ultra high quality and 4K selfies. This beast comes with Snapdragon 730G. It is a very high-end and good performance processor that is firstly used in Samsung Galaxy A80, and it is officially released just a day before with Samsung Galaxy A80. It is not a cheap processor, but it is a high-end processor, but it gives a nice and a cool gaming performance. It comes with a 25-watt fast charger. If we talk about the price of the Samsung Galaxy A80, it comes in the range of $740. So I think according to its specs, its performance, it is not a mid-range phone, but it's a very good phone in this price range. So if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel.